Hello everyone, my name is Mesta. I am from University Bina Sarana Informatika from class 15.2a.05. My program study is computer science. Today in this video I'm gonna talk and explain about computer. And the first material is hardware. Hardware is physical equipment of computer system. Hardware can be divided into two categories, input device and output device. First, input device is a piece of equipment used to provide data and control signals to an information processing system, such as a computer or information appliance. Examples of input device include keyboards, mouse, scanners, cameras, joysticks, and microphones. Here is the examples. A keyboard is an input device used to enter data such as text, numbers, and commands into a computer. It consists of keys that are pressed to input the desired information. Keyboard also came up with some region layout and some key layout. If we search here, keyboard US layout, yeah, keyboard US layout has long enter button, long shift button, and also long space button. But in UK layout, they just came with short enter button and short shift button, but they still have long space button. And then they also have key layouts. The most commonly key layout that people usually use is here is the keyword T. It's commonly used by some people to work. And for second is AZERTY. It's used by French people in the Eurasian keyboard. So we're gonna talk about the second. Mouse is a pointing device that allows user to control the pointer on a computer display. Similarly, a laptop touchpad serves the same purpose as a mouse. If we search here again, mouse, here you can look like the mouse is look like a mice. So usually people just use to call computer mice or mouse. Or in laptop, they usually use touchpad here. It serves the same purpose as a mouse to control the pointing this pointer to control it using touchpad. And the third, a microphone is a device that converts sound waves into an electrical signals. It allows you to capture audio and transmit it to various devices like computers or laptops. Okay, the second is output device are hardware components of a computer system that display, present, or otherwise communicate the results of data processing. These devices receive processed data from the computer and present it to the user in a human-readable form. Common examples of output devices include monitors, printers, speakers, and projectors. Here is the examples of output device. First, we got a monitor is an output device that displays text, graphics, and video generated by a computer or other electronic device. Second is a printer is an output device that produces hard copies of electronic documents or images on paper. It accepts digital data from a computer and transfer it onto paper using ink or toner. And the third is a speaker is an output device that converts electrical signals into sound. It allows computers, smartphones, and other electronic devices to play audio such as music, speech, or other sound effects. And the second material in this video is software and operating system. The operating system is like the manager of your computer. It starts up automatically when you turn on your computer. It makes it easy for you to use all the cool stuff your computer can do without needing to know exactly how the hardware works. Basically, it's the middleman between you and the computer, so you don't have to worry about all the technical stuff. Here is the examples or various types of system operations. The first we got Microsoft Windows, and the second is Linux. The third is Mac OS, and the fourth is Android. You can read it by yourself. Here I'm gonna zoom it. Windows is an operating system created by Microsoft, and second is Linux. Linux is an open source operating system kernel. And the third is macOS. macOS is usually used by Apple products to their electronic device like laptop, handphones, or something. They usually use macOS. And for Android, it's for smartphone, handphone. The smartphone or handphone usually use Android operating systems. And here is software. In a computer system, the software is basically a set of instructions or commands to tell a computer what to do. In other words, the software is a computer program that provides a set of instructions to execute a user's command and tell the computer what to do. Here is the examples of software in Windows operating system because the Linux operating system will be using different software. The first we got Microsoft Word is a computer software program developed by Microsoft that allows users to create, edit, format, and print text-based documents. The second is Excel. It's a computer program that helps you organize and analyze data using rows and columns. It's great for tasks like making budgets, lists, and charts. The third we got PowerPoint is a computer program that helps you create presentations. You can add text, image, and other stuff to make slideshows for work, school, or just for fun. The conclusion from the material I provided is that hardware is divided into two categories. First is input, device that send data to the computer, and the second is output, device that receive commands sent by the computer. Software and operating system are related to each other. Windows software is not compatible with the Linux operating system, and the same goes for other operating systems. Like I said before, Windows software is not compatible with the Linux operating system, and Linux software is not compatible with Windows operating system. Same goes for other operating system like Mac OS and Android as well. The exception is if software developers create software that is compatible with multiple operating systems. So here we are in the end of slide. Thank you very much for watching all the minutes, and I hope you are understand what I'm saying.